Hello, I'm John Davis. In this video, I'm going to show you how even a fool like me can rack up thousands of views on YouTube and how you can too. Firstly, whilst this video is about me, actually, it's all about you. I'm going to show you exactly what I've learned so far, the good, the bad, the ugly, in order to hit 60,000 views on YouTube. That way, you can get there much faster than me and leave my little channel in your dust. In return, if you could do me one favour and I would be forever in your debt, can you help me get to 100,000 views? All I need from you is a few minutes of your time and a click of the like button. Now go get a pen and write this down, it's going to help you get YouTube views fast. Whilst the YouTube algorithm is like some weird mythical beast, experts have shown that there are some factors that help grow your channel fast and get more views and subscribers. Now these are... Number 1 is CTR, that's the click-through rate. Now YouTube's going to take your video and show it in the search results to a sample audience that it thinks may like it. This is called an impression. Now if someone clicks on your video, this increases your click-through rate. This is good. In order to increase our click-through rate, we need to create good thumbnails and titles. Make it clear what your video is about, or even enticing and play on people's curiosity. What's really helped me is to just keep it simple. I used to really overcomplicate the process of creating these thumbnails. Now I just keep it bright, nice, clean and simple. But look at your competition and decide what would stand out amongst the results. Thumbnails are easier than you think. Need help creating them? Then check out the video in the description after this one. Number 2 is the average watch duration. Now if you went to the movies and watched 18% of a film before putting down your popcorn and leaving for the exit, do you think the movie producers would see this as a success or a failure? It's the same with YouTube. The more your average person watches your video, the better. And I feel your pain. I'm exactly the same. I've got no patience, a lack of attention, I've an urge to check my phone constantly, and I want all of the information and facts, and I want it in 37 seconds because I've got so much going on. You want to try and keep people watching your video. Breaking your video into steps and giving it some structure is a really good way to achieve this, as is breaking up the visual side. So use animations, different scenes, move around your home, film outdoors, film indoors, use stock video, screenshots, keep it changing and moving and keep it refreshing to grab people's attention for longer. Try not to create long-winded videos. Some of my old ones, I literally grew a beard, they went on for that long. Deliver value and cut out the fluff. Long story short is, well, to keep a long story short. Number 3 is engagement. Now this comes in different forms. It could be smashing that like button, sharing on social media, or leaving a comment. From a creator's point of view, stats like these are the dopamine hits that help creators carry onwards with their quest for more views on YouTube. So I would recommend that you find ways to engage with your audience. Ask them questions. Ask them to like your video if it helps them. Seek their advice too where required. Whatever you think would trigger a response. After all, without those viewers, you're singing to an empty room. Now number 4 is consistency. The hardest part of any journey is being consistent. At times, creating videos will be tough. You'll have crap going on in your life, family commitments, pressure at work, your cat may have just kicked the bucket, but as my kids tell me, suck it up, buttercup. Whatever reason you wanted to create a YouTube channel, whether that's for fame, fortune or just fun, keep that reason close to you and use it to keep on going. When you're feeling low and like you'll never get that 87 subscriber, look at how many others were wanting that same position. I was. I've never liked being on video or even having a photo taken. I'm not a confident person. I have a busy 9-to-5 job and a young family that take priority. But here I am telling you how I've managed to get viewed on YouTube 60,000 times. Now that's a tiny amount compared to others, but a crazy achievement for little old me. So take them wins and use it to keep you going and to keep publishing consistently. So to recap, there's 4 ways that you can get more views on YouTube without all of the mistakes that I've made in the past. Number 1, clear and attractive thumbnails and titles. Make people click. Number 2, try and keep your viewers watching by any means necessary. Number 3, engage with people and encourage them to engage back. And number 4, keep on trucking. Publish consistently, especially when you're first starting. Let me know in the comments below if you've got any other ways that you can think of that's going to get us more views on YouTube. Like I say, I need the help too, so anything you've got, let me know. But remember, anything is possible, my friend. Keep creating, keep improving. I believe in you, and I look forward to seeing all of your YouTube success. If this video was of any use to you, please drop me a comment and hit that like button. If you fancy a second date sometime, then hit subscribe too. I'm going to catch you on the next one. See you later.